What's going on, you guys, and welcome to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day today. So today we are going to be installing a new blowout valve on the Mustang. I currently took off the front bumper, as you guys can see. So the front bumper is completely off, and I'm doing that because we have to take the intercooler off, and we are welding the new flange for the blowout valve on today. The blowout valve that I have is the Tial Q50, which is right there. So for right now, I'm just using a rubber coupler. It's not doing very well, but it is holding up, so we're just gonna leave that for now and just head on over there. I put it on yesterday, and it does work, and it does sound pretty sick. Pretty sure the rubber coupler is gonna be good to hold it on until we get to the shop. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna weld that flange, which is right here, onto here. The bad part about this part right here is that this is aluminum, so steel welding is pretty easy for the most part. Aluminum welding is a little bit more difficult, so we're gonna have to aluminum weld this onto the flange. But alright, first I'm gonna grab something to eat first, because I haven't eaten all day today and I have the appointment at 3:30. So I have a little bit of time to go eat first, but without further ado, let's start the car. Alright, start it up. Oh! I think it's already purging and all that already. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's fluttering a little bit. Might be because of the coupler, but it sounds sick. It is way louder than that ProFlow, like 10 times louder. Valve is so loud, I love it. It is fluttering, so that's the main reason why I haven't got on it. That, and I don't trust that coupler. Alright, we made it to his shop, which is right there. So let's go inside and get this blowout valve done. Okay, so I don't think I mentioned why I took the front bumper off. Took it off so I could take the intercooler off, but I don't have any tools to take those bolts out. So hopefully he has tools and we could just crank that out real quick and it'll be easy to take out. So that's the main reason why we have the bumper off, is so we can do that pretty easy. Alright, let's go inside. He helped me put the take the bolts out, which are right there. So now I just lowered it, put it down a little bit, and grab that underneath, and then we'll get started. So we have the Tial Q50 right there. We have the intercooler right there. While it's out, I'm also gonna clean it up a little bit. It's kind of getting dirty at the bottom because the front bumper's not on, but on the bumper on the lower part, it's wide open, so you can kind of see why it gets so dirty. So we'll go ahead and clean that up, and this is where he is going to saw this part off and put the new flange on there and weld it. All right, we're good. I'll try to stay out of the way. That worked perfectly. Oh, that was quick.
Yeah, welding is 90% prep.
Is it?
So what I'm going to do, if you want to film me the first shot, the first quarter, I'm going to start here and work my way up.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll do a little.
And then once I can start coming down this side, you can actually probably see it from this side.
Perfect. Yeah.
If you let the part get too hot,
It'll like burn?
it'll run away from it. No,
Oh, run away.
burn, but it'll start melting way further than you want.
Alright, we got the Supercharger intercooler. We got the welds right there. If it would focus. Say what? So we have the blow-off valve on it already. We just put it on. Now, moment of truth, put it on there and let it rip. Huge shout out to David with these welds though. These welds are good. Alright, let's turn it on. So I can't rev it just yet because it's still cold. So let's go home and we'll rev it over there. Oh yeah. Still fluttering. I'm not sure if it's the blow-off valve, or if it's supposed to sound like that, or if it's actually just there's no vacuum or enough vacuum. But like when I floor it, it closes up, so it's weird. It's only like when I let off that it flutters. This thing's loud. Made it back home, put the front bumper back on. So now what I want to go ahead and do is I want to do some outside clips of listening to the blow-off valve on the outside instead of everything being on the inside of the car. So I want to get some outside shots of how loud this blow-off valve is. Alright, so this is where we're going to do all the videos over here. That is only 3,500 RPM. Holy cow. Alright, so we're being yelled at by the construction workers, so we haven't done anything. We're just making a tiny bit of noise. We haven't done anything really. Oh well, next location. Alright, that's all we got. It's starting to rain now. And now this. Wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The blow up valve is like 100 times louder than the Pro Flow. See if you guys can hear that. Like right there. You hear that? And then I let off. Like, is that normal, or I'm just asking you guys? I think maybe my vacuum line isn't big enough, and I'll have to get a bigger line or something as far as that, but I think my vacuum is good. That's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, make sure to smash the like button. If you guys are not already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit the button down below. Like always, guys, have a great day. Peace.